Okay guys, now in this video we will going to create the database and configure our env file so we can attach the database with our Laravel. So without further ado, let's just do it. As you guys know that we will have to go to localhost, and from here we will have to go to phpMyAdmin in order to create the database. We're gonna create one database named Laravel chat, and here you go. We have our Laravel chat. Now in order to configure it, let me first open the Sublime Text editor and open this folder so I can directly access. So in chat, we have .env file. In here, we will have to add our database details. So DB connection would be MySQL, and database name would be Laravel chat, and username would be root. As you know, the default username for the XAMPP is root, and password is nothing. Save it, come back over here, refresh, and see if it is working. Well, yes, pretty much it is working. So the next thing that we will have to do is to simply create the login and sign up system, which is very easy. It's just one line of command. Let me quickly open the command line. Then we can go to our cd XAMPP htdoc and chat. And now in here, we will have to write PHP artisan make auth. Hopefully this time it will work. Authentication scaffolding generated successfully. Okay, first serve the project again. PHP artisan serve. Okay, with that line of a code, what we got is the login and registration. Not just a link. It's a complete system that is working from top to bottom. Every single thing, forget, login, etc. This is the power of Laravel. I mean, imagine if your clients need a login system, there it is. You can charge the same money that you used to charge, and it's even responsive. With just 4 words, you got the registration system. So far, we haven't yet migrated our project, so PHP artisan migrate. Well, we can ignore that thing, and if I go again and refresh, sure enough, we got 2 tables. And now if I hit after migration, we have to serve again. But you know, there's another way as well, and it's time for me actually to show you that. Basically, you guys know that when we wanted to access our project, we just simply write down the folder name and then we can access. So in Laravel, we can do the pretty much same thing, and let's try it. So what was our folder name? Chat. And then in chat, well, sure enough, this is the correct thing. But how do we access the same thing as we were accessing using the serve command? Well, we'll have to go to public. Here it is. And the project will work exactly the way we were using through the serve command. So rather than doing serve again and again, I do this. Probably someone say, no, this is not the right way, and so on, but I don't care really. So this is the thing. So if okay, password is wrong. Try now. Sure enough, I got it. I am logged in. You see, every single thing is working perfectly. So you got the authentication system, the complete login and registration system with just 4 words. So that's the thing. That's why I love Laravel, and you will love Laravel as well. So in next video, we'll come and develop the chat system even in more detail. So take care for now. Bye-bye.